Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve online learning with Teachable, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the features and capabilities of Teachable. Visit the Teachable website and create an account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its layout. Begin by creating a new course. Identify your course topic and target audience. Outline your course content in a structured format. Utilize modules and lessons to organize your material effectively. Incorporate various types of content, such as videos, quizzes, and written materials. Make use of Teachable's drag-and-drop editor to design your course layout. Add engaging visuals and interactive elements to maintain student interest. Set clear learning objectives for each lesson. Implement assessments and quizzes to gauge learner progress. Encourage student engagement through discussion forums and comments. Offer supplementary resources, such as ebooks or additional readings. Establish a pricing strategy that reflects the value of your course. Consider offering discounts or promotions to attract initial students. Set up a marketing plan to promote your course effectively. Utilize social media and email newsletters to reach your audience. Analyze student feedback and performance metrics to refine your course content. Foster a community by encouraging collaboration among students. Continuously update your course materials based on new information and feedback. Adopt a responsive approach to student inquiries and support requests. Utilize Teachable's analytics tools to track student engagement and success. Translate your insights into actionable improvements for future courses. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the online learning experience with Teachable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.